Here's a look at today's assignment. Tomorrow you're going to be quizzed on creating a bar graph and answering a couple questions about the bar graph. So here we're going to practice making a bar graph and then answering some questions that are down in the lower left-hand corner. So to create the bar graph, I noticed that my numbers are on the left-hand side or the y-axis, and the colors are on the x-axis or the bottom: red, blue, green, yellow, orange. So I'm going to look at my chart here, and this is my data. It says there are 6 red. So I would drag 6 red or 6 sticky notes. It doesn't really fully matter the color, but they do have the correct number for each color. So if we were to say these are red, I would drag 6 of them, and you'll notice it reaches up to 6. Okay, so I have 6 for my bar graph on red. Then there are 7 blue, so I would drag my 7 blue sticky dots on the graph. Okay, so you're just creating the bar graph. After that, on the bottom, there are 3 questions to answer. The first question is, what is the most liked color? How do you know? Which is the least liked color? How do you know? And how many students answered the survey? Okay, to answer those questions on this Jamboard, you can either click into the text box and type them in, or you can put them on a sticky note, but just make sure you say which, or put the sticky notes in a place where we know that which question they are answering. On the second slide, you're doing a Venn diagram, which will also be on the quiz tomorrow. It says, here are the drinks people drink at a football game: water, water, soda, both, soda, 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 water, both, and both. You're going to drag a sticky dot for each one of these. So for this one, it says water. So I'm going to drag the sticky dot into the water. The next one says water. So I'm going to drag another sticky dot into the water. The ones that say both, you'll put in the middle, and the ones for soda, you'll put on the right-hand side. I'll move that after. Then there are 2 questions here on the right. What is the Venn diagram comparing? So what are the 2 things we're looking at? And how many people drank both water and soda at the game? Okay, and you'll answer those again either by writing in the text box or putting it on a sticky note. The last slide for today is a dot plot. For a dot plot, you're going to put the dots above the fruit, okay, and the quantity or how many of each fruit are off to the side here on the y-axis. We have kiwi, apple, banana, and dragon fruit. At the store, Ruva bought a lot of fruit. Create a dot plot to show all the fruit she bought by dragging the sticky dots over the graph. So it says she bought 2 kiwi. So I would drag 2 dots above kiwi. It says she bought 4 apples. So I would drag the dots above. That was not meant to happen. I would drag the dots above the apple. And then there are 2 questions here. How many pieces of fruit are represented on the graph? So all together, how many pieces of fruit are there? And which fruit did Ruva buy the most of?